So I was surfing through the internet and I got curious and typed the word how we can make money online. And the first thing which popped out that you can make money by writing a blog post. I was like, we can do that by using our prompt engineering skills or by writing a good prompt. So I went to the work and let's see what our AI gave us by writing a good prompt. So here, writing our blog, or shall we say prompt to write a blog. So I am on cvai.versal.app. It will be linked in the description below, but to spell it out, it is SEVEAI.VERCEL.app. The best part is that we can do image generation, video generation, music generation, code generation, and even content generation or conversation generation at one place. So without further ado, let's start and write our blog here. So if you haven't watched our prompt formula video, just go ahead and watch it. But if you haven't watched till yet, uh, I will write a prompt here and I will let you know what each word means and what it is doing. So you have a clear understanding what we are working with and how we are working with our prompt. But I will highly recommend that you watch that prompt formula video to understand how we write a good prompt or a better prompt and what are the features of a better prompt. So there's that. I will link that video in the end of this video. So if you are interested, just go ahead and watch it. But without further ado, let's write our prompt. So in prompt formula, we have understand that we have to give an goal to our GPT. We have to assign something, like we have to tell him how to act. Then we have to do give some goal, what GPT have to do, and we can use different parameters like length, tone, and examples to write a better prompt. So I will write a prompt here. So let's assign a role, which is our first part. So it goes like role, goal, and then you can assign tone and your length and example. So let's assign a role first here. I want to write a blog about email marketing using ChatGPT. So I will let this conversation model know that you are expert in writing a blog or you are expert in email marketing, so or you are expert copywriter, so we get a good blog out of it because it will behave like a expert copywriter. So let's go ahead and do that. uh, act act as, let me shift this here. Okay, let me act as a professional copywriter. So we have assigned the role to our GPT model. This part is assigning the role. It is optional, but to get a good result, you have to assign a role, so that that our GPT model understand what he has to do or what he this prompt means and how what you want from it. So now I will let him know about the goal. Let it know about the goal. I want you to create you to create a blog because we need a blog, complete blog. And you can be very specific or you can be vague. Here you can tell the GPT model that you want this blog for a like amateur or you want for professional, so it will give you a blog article based on what you have told this model to have as an output. So I want to create a complete blog post about, and we want our blog post about the use of, okay, let me just, the use of model, the use of ChatGPT model for email marketing. ChatGPT model for email marketing. So I will go ahead and be very specific with this, I will let my model know that I want you to create step by step um, explanation explanation for, okay, it is giving me that, okay, let me just, I wrote explanation wrong, step by step way how a beginner can go from zero to advanced. So I have given a specific task that I want to create a step by step way, or let me change it to method, how a beginner can go from zero to advanced. So it is very specific. Now to make this prompt more, let's say, more precise, I can go ahead and say, I can define a length. It should, the blog post should be of length. The blog post should be of length 15,000, let's say 1500 words. 1500 words. So I have written a prompt to write a blog article in which it should give me a step-by-step method how a beginner can go from zero to advanced on using ChatGPT for email marketing, and the blog post should be of 1500 words. Let me check it again. Okay, so here it is. So let's generate now and let's see what we get. Okay, sorry for the noise if you're like getting some noise from out there. So it is taking its time to, it's thinking. Okay, we got our blog article. The use of ChatGPT model for email marketing, a step-by-step guide to help beginner excel. Introduction. From here, as the world of online marketing continues to evolve, business must adapt to the strategies to communicate effectively with the customer. So yes, we got our blog, and that's how you can use CV AI to write your own blog. So there's that. So if you haven't subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.